Hey everyone, and welcome back. Now guys, if you were like me and you were looking for something simple to emulate your games, your old classic games that you used to play as a kid, then this video is definitely for you. And you may want to follow this along, because this little device came with a surprise, which I wasn't even expecting. Right in front of me here, I have the R36 Ultra. Now, its little brother, the R36S, became viral very recently. And this is the very slight upgrade with a brighter 4-inch screen and just a different shape and feel for better ergonomics. Now, in terms of the emulation stages, I've only tried up to the PlayStation so far, and it seems to play absolutely fine. The buttons are a bit spongy, but you do have these as well for directional play for stuff like Doom and other things and shooter games like that. The buttons do feel quite nice, and you have your trigger buttons on the back which give you a very satisfying click. Now, this video is not sponsored at all by this, but I've actually gone out and purchased this for myself solely for the fact is I wanted to play those classic games. I've got a whole collection of my games and I wanted to play them again in one place, and that's where this came in. Now, in terms of the actual function itself, it plays very well. I'm very happy with it. It's played everything I've thrown at it so far, and I've been very, very happy indeed. You have your volume controls up the side there. You have your power on button, and you have a reset button there as well, just in case things do go wrong and freeze. You've got a function button and a select and menu button in the middle. The thing I do like about this as well is it does have its own sleep and wake feature. So if you hold down the function button and press the off button, it will go into a sleep mode where you can then press the button again and it will come straight back onto where it was, which I thought was pretty good for something this cheap. The device at the moment you can get on Amazon for around $50, and actually in the UK it is the same at around £50. You can get it even cheaper on AliExpress. It's about $20 and £20 just under that. However, you do have to wait. This came as a next day delivery on Amazon and I'm impatient, so I went for that. But you might be asking the question as, why was it a surprise? Why did this come as a surprise when you arrived? So I was just looking for a very basic device to play my emulated games. However, when it did arrive, it came with this SSD installed. I thought it was just coming with a SSD, 128GB, for me to be able to emulate my games onto and store them on there. But no, it was packed with around 30,000 games or so. There's a lot of games on here. 30,000 is what, after reading it, is what it actually states, but I wasn't actually expecting it to come with all of these games, but it did. So if you're looking to get into your emulation nice and easy without having to worry about the ROMs and bits and pieces, now obviously there is a really grey area over this. However, as I said, I bought this to just play classic games. I didn't expect it to come with the games, but if you're looking to get into the emulation without having to worry about those ROMs, then this could be a good option for you. But in terms of the actual things itself, so it has all the games in one part. You can change the themes as well. But you can see here, I have my favourite games. You've got Arcade, MAME, Atari. You've got the WonderSwan Color. You've got the Capcom Play Systems 1, 2, and 3. You've got the PC Engine. There you go, Family Computer, Nintendo Family Computer. You've got the NES, Game Boy, Super Famicom, of course, Super Nintendo, Nintendo 64, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, DS, Sega 100, Genesis. There's so many on here. Dreamcast, Neo, PlayStation 1, PSP. Now, you could also put more emulators on here as well, further than that. However, I don't know how well it played. I haven't tried it yet. but I wasn't interested in the kind of newer style games like Xbox 360 and stuff like that. It would probably struggle with those games. I wanted it more for the classic Game Boy games more than anything. And I like how you can go into a game and hold down X and add it to your favorite, so you do not have to search. Let's just, for example, go into the arcade. The amount of games that are in here just on arcade, you can imagine this over and over and over again with every single emulator. You can hold X on a game and it will add it to your favorites, and you can just add the ones here. You can see what I favor and what I wanted to play on this. But I was really surprised by this. It actually feels quite nice. Does it feel like you're buying a Game Boy? No. Mine came with a bit of a rattle where the buttons do rattle around a little bit, but you pay for what you get, and it does the job very well. And if you're looking to get into emulation, then this is something that you would definitely should consider. I was very happy with it, and we're going to be doing some playing around with this down the line as well. But I thought this is a really good way to get into emulation, especially with all of the games that it comes with. As I said, just be careful. There is a real grey area behind it. Wasn't intentionally come with games, but it has. And down the line, as you know, with this channel, we are here to save money on tech, but also to save old technology. And I guess the classic games is not as such saving technology, but this will definitely save you some money. But we will talk about old iPhones and turning these into emulation machines as well, especially with using the ROM collection that you now have. But guys, I hope you've enjoyed these videos. I am going to do more on this. Let me know, would you consider buying one of these? Or maybe you have one already. But this is really budget emulation. Everything all in one place, ready to go, and you don't even have to mess around with it. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do like it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Go check out my merchandise, guys, if you want to support the channel. And if you want to support it even further, then do consider being a member and get early access to videos like this one. And I will catch everyone in the next one.